Hi my loves, welcome back. If you are new here, hi, my name is Benazet. In this video I'll be doing an eyebrow tutorial. I'll be using the Rimmel Stay Matte Primer. Now I'm going to go in with setting powder to set the eyebrows. That way it will help prevent the eyebrows from getting oily as well. Now I'm going to use my spoolie brush. Of course, you can't do your eyebrows without a spoolie brush. If you don't have one, I'll advise you to get one because this is very necessary. So I'll be brushing my eyebrow hairs in place. The eyebrows are well brushed in place. I'm going to outline the eyebrows and I'll be using the LA Colors eyeliner and brow pencil. And this is in the color black brown. Make sure your pencil is sharp. As you can see, mine is really sharp and ready to be used. I'm going to do the same thing with this other side of the brow. Okay. As you can see, I don't really feel this front part. Yeah, that's just perfect because when I brush everything, it's going to give it that ombre effect and that is going to be just perfect. Whatever is left on the spoolie, I use it to brush the front part. Can you see that? Yes, that's what we want. So you brush it. To conceal the eyebrows, I'll be using this of Caramel concealer, and this is in the shade Deep Chestnut. Now I'm just passing by with my concealer brush just to blend the starting point or the front part to give it that ombre effect. I'm just going in with this brush just to further blend the excess concealer. That's it. Bye.